What is this product that is good looking, can help you be seen, and protect you? Well, it's Macardine or Mashrui handguards. These handguards aren't your cheap mom and pop KLR dirt bike handguards. These are actually specifically designed for your Harley touring bikes. They're designed for the enthusiast who appreciate the sleek design, and they're color matched. 50 different colors to choose from. So if you have that special bike like I got, the Whiskey Fire, well, you tell them what you need, they paint them up for you, and they send them on their way. Not only that, they're integrated LED turning signals and driving lights. Yes, you not only have the color match handguards, but you also have LED turning signals and daytime running lights in the handguards to improve visibility and safety. They are perfect for all weather riding. You can increase the effectiveness of your winter gloves or heated grips, and they provide an extra layer of protection against the wind and the cold. These handguards are built from a durable ABS plastic. They're made to last and withstand demands of the road, ensuring durability and longevity. And don't forget, they are color matched to your bike. I was just informed that they are not 50 colors, but over 100 colors to choose from. If you need a high quality painted part, go to Macardine.